DDL commands. DDL commands. DDL stands for DDL stands for data definition language. DDL stands for data definition language. Data definition language. And it contains four commands, that is create, create, comma, alter, alter, comma, truncate, and drop. Create, alter, truncate, and drop. In that, take down the next one. Create command. Create command. Create command. And then continue. Create command is used. Create command is used. Create command is used to create the database. Create command is used to create the database. To create the database, comma, table. Create command is used to create the database, comma, table. All right. Now let us understand, if in case you want to use this create command, how you will use it? Whenever you want to create a database, what you will tell? Create database and then the database name. So here assume that I will tell the database name as create database, assume that example database, something like this. If in case I'll press enter, it has created the database. If you want to use the database, then you have to use, then you have to tell use example database. Like this you can use, and then if in case you want to create the table, so create table, maybe demo table, something like this. Inside this you have to tell the column name, so id int primary key, comma, name varchar. Here I will tell 10. If in case I'll press enter, like this we have created the table. Is this clear? So in this way you can use the create command. Many times you have used before, but just as an example, take down these two lines. Create a database, example database, and then create table, demo table. Just these two lines, copy it in your notebook. Done. Then all of you copied. Next, here assume that I will create one table, create table. In this new database, we'll create one new table, assume that employee table, where I will tell ID, int type, which is a primary key, comma, name, which is varchar, and then here I will tell the size is 10, comma, assume that, okay, this much is what I will create one table. So I've created the table. If you want to see the table, then you can tell here description of table. Which table? Employee. So you can see here how many columns are there. Two columns are there. One is ID, another one is name. I will insert the data also. Assume that insert into employee values. Here I will tell 1, comma, name happens to be, let us say, Ankit. Again, comma. Next here I will tell 2, comma, here I will tell as Ajay. I'll press enter. Both the rows has been inserted, and then here I will tell select star from employee. Both the names have both the names has been stored. Now next requirement is coming something like this, that in this employee table, one more column we need, one more column we want to add. So as of now, how many columns are there? Two columns are there, ID and name. I want to add one more column. I want to add a column as salary. Now two options are there in front of me. What are the options? Either delete this entire table, create the new table at the same place, name will be employee. Three columns it will have, ID, name, and then salary. This is one of the option. Otherwise, whatever this table is there, in this table only modify and add one extra column. You think and tell which is good. Modifying the table. For example, we have one house. In that house, we want to do some modifications. Whenever we want to do, assume that 2-floor house it is, we want to build one more, third floor we want to build. So what we will do? First we'll remove everything and then we'll build 3 floors? No. If in case it is possible where we can build only the floor, then it is fine. In some scenario where we have to completely change it, not modify, change it. At that time we have to just demolish everything and then we have to build from the scratch. But here I don't want to delete anything. I just want to add. If I want to add, then I can use the command as what? Alter command. Which command? Alter command. First take down in your notebook. Alter, ALTER. Alter command is used. Alter command is used alter command is used to modify the structure of the existing table such as adding or removing columns, comma, rename a table or column, etc. All right, let us understand this, how we will be doing it. In this, I will first tell alter, because alteration work is what we have to do. So alter command I will do, alter. What is the table name? Employee. So alter table. Employee is the table name. Okay. In this, what we want to do? We want to add or remove. We want to add. What we want to add? Column we want to add. So here I will tell add, and then here I will mention column. What is the column name? Salary. What's the type of the salary? Int. So here I will tell salary type int. Then I'll tell semicolon. If in case I'll press enter, it has added the column. Now again, if in case I will show you the table, description table, employee, then you can see ID, name is the second column, salary is the third column. Now here, without deleting the table, we have just added one extra column. Now if in case you want to insert the data, for example, insert into employee values. Now three informations you have to give. ID is 3, comma, name, assume that name is Amit, comma, salary is 45,000. Now you can see it has been inserted, and if in case I'll show you here, select star from employee, then 3, Ankit 45,000. So here null is there. That also you can insert by telling select into this or insert into the employee where in employee values where condition you can put and you can insert. Is this clear with anyone? And obviously, whatever the previous data is there, obviously it will be null. Please make a note of this in your notebook. Copy this in your notebook. Done. Copy this, everyone. Next, take down. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to remove. Write a query to remove the salary column from the employee table. Write a query to remove the salary column from the employee table. Salary column from the employee table. Well, what will be the query for this? Here I will tell alter table. What's the table name? Employee table. Next, what we have to do now? Add or remove? Remove. If in case you want to remove, what you have to mention? Okay, let us tick. Remove. Next, what we have to do here? Remove which column? Salary column. So here I will tell remove column. What's the column name? Cell. I will tell salary. Here see, when we were inserting, when we were adding, we told the data type. So while removing also we need to tell the data type, not required. Just the column name is sufficient. I'll tell here semicolon. But now it is telling that whatever this remove you told, this is not possible. So now again I will go back here and I will tell, it is not remove, it is drop. I'll come back here, and if in case I'll execute, it is done. Again, I will tell here description, table, employee. Now you can see, okay, it's not coming properly, but now you can see that only two columns are there. One is ID, and another one happens to be name. Okay, here I will tell, I will remove this table. ID and name. Salary, whatever you are seeing, it has been removed. Please copy this command in your notebook. Alter table employee drop column salary. Drop command you have to use. Don't use the remove command. Then copy this. Next, take down drop command. Drop command, D-R-O-P, drop command. And then continue. Drop command is used. Drop command is used to delete a table or database. Drop command is used to delete a table or database. Drop command is used to delete a table or database. Now let us understand this, how it is going to work. Here I will tell drop table. Assume that the table name is that example table, demo table, whatever we created, demo table. If in case I'll press enter, the table has been deleted. If in case I will tell here select star from demo table, then that table only is not there. So it is telling example database, demo table does not exist. So for what purpose we'll be using the drop command? To delete a table. Now think and tell, if in case you want to delete the one entire database, what will tell? Drop database and then the database name. As simple as that. Please make a note of this. Then copied everyone. Next, take down truncate command. Truncate command. Truncate command is used. Truncate command is used to delete all the data of a table. Truncate command is used to delete all the data of a table. Truncate command is used to delete all the data of a table. Well, let us understand this, how we will be using it. So here I will tell, it's not visible. Here I will tell like this, see here, truncate. One table is there, employee table. Assume that I will tell here truncate employee. Silence everyone, see here, truncate employee. If in case I'll press enter, everything is removed. If in case I will tell here select star from employee, what will be the output? What will be the output? Employee does not tell. If in case I'll press enter, what it is telling? Empty set. From this, can you tell me what is the difference between drop and truncate? Drop will remove the table, entire structure, whatever is there, it will entirely remove it. But truncate will only remove the data. It will not remove the structure. Is this clear with everyone? Please make a note of this. Truncate employee and then tell this select star from employee, which is giving you empty set. Also, I'm starting the attendance for a database. Please mark your attendance also. Then copy this, everyone. So these are the commands related to your data definition language, DDL commands. Again, please practice all the commands in your database. I'll halt my technical discussion here for database. We'll continue tomorrow. If in case you have marked attendance, you can leave for a day. Thank you, everyone. Take care, all of you. Online students, if in case you are having any doubts, you can ask. Otherwise, you can leave the session.